In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Claude AI into your automatic editor that you can chat with directly inside of Premiere Pro so that you can edit your content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, specifically for content creators. And the best part is it's completely free to use and try out. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. We're going to be using an AI plugin called AutoEdit Creator Mode. Now, yes, you can use Claude AI directly into the terminal, and that's where you go ahead and literally like pull up the Terminal Mac app, and then you have to install the Claude Code app. And honestly, as an editor, as a non-technical person, it is pretty complex. So that's why I prefer to use this AI plugin called AutoEdit Creator Mode. To download it, it is completely for free. You just go to autoeditai.net. And there is a completely for free plan, download, or you can upgrade for extra credits. But once you download this plugin, you go into Premiere and you hit Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Creator Mode, and the plugin pops up. Now, this plugin is really cool. It has a lot of cool features in it. There's a bunch of free tools like motion graphics appliers, sound effects, but the cool highlight feature of this is this new chat mode. So you can literally chat with it. So right here, I have this reel where I interviewed a monk. Honestly, poor the monks. I have interviewed so many monks in Thailand, it's crazy. But you go ahead and click the start edit button, and now you can go ahead and type a prompt. So you can literally start with some of these starter prompts like, cut the filler words, cut the pauses, etc. Ooh, by the way, before I actually do this, I do want to trim out the silences because the longer your video is, the more credits it uses. So there's actually a free silence cutter, which I can just go ahead and click to remove all the silences. And as you can see, it just automatically cut out those silences for us, saving us a lot of the editing time. And then I can go ahead and go back to the chat mode. And then I can say, cut the filler words, cut the pauses, find the highlight quotes, etc. And then they can say like, oh, this is a TikTok interview. And then I hit start. And then the cool thing is it literally starts sending my audio to 11 Labs where it transcribes it. And then it'll pull out all the bad takes and the good takes. I can literally just chat with it. So once it's done loading, boom, just like that. This is a really short one, but you can see, I can say, find the messy segments, and then it's gonna go ahead and load, and it's gonna find them for me. It'll give me the exact timestamps too, and it'll jump to those timestamps. And I'll be like, okay, cool. It says, would you like me to cut out all these messy segments for you? Yes, cut them. And then I hit send, and then it automatically does that edit for me, which is really cool because it literally just is like a chat-based feature where I don't have to, rewatch all my footage, especially if you're editing really long interviews. And if I still want to manually adjust this, I can just go ahead and like keep or cut and so forth. And then let's go ahead and do this. Now we're going to just go ahead and hit apply all permanent, and boom, just like that. Now we have a reel that's edited. It cut out all the bad takes. It only left the good takes. And just made us a pretty clean editing starting point. And if you want to learn how you can automatically edit your music videos using AI, then you can check out this video linked right here.